Hello and welcome to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to make some delightful pastries with various fillings and easy shapes. Before we start, please support us by liking, sharing the video, and subscribing to the channel. First, we'll start with the dough recipe. To prepare this dough, we need 1½ cups of milk. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 tablespoon of yeast. Mix all the ingredients well. Then add 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and a pinch of vanilla. Stir everything together as you can see here. Then add 1 tablespoon of melted butter. Gradually add 5 cups of flour with a pinch of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix all the ingredients until the dough is smooth and soft. Then shape the pastries into the forms you like. Firstly, after rolling out the dough, add a bit of your favorite filling. Then, prepare a second layer of dough and roll it out as well. Cut it into strips as shown in the video, creating a lattice pattern. Cover the first layer with the filling with this lattice layer. Then fold the edges to seal it well. In the end, you get wonderful lattice-shaped pastries. For the second shape, roll out the dough into a circle, then add a bit of cheese and roll it to get a triangular shape. Divide the dough into half circles, then roll it to form a triangle with beautiful, creative lines. For the third shape, after rolling out the dough, use a fork to press the edges as shown in the video. Cut the edges with a knife and gather them to create leaf shapes. Place the filling lengthwise, then close the top part and roll it like the other shapes. Finally, brush the pastries with a bit of egg or milk, then sprinkle with sesame seeds or any seeds you prefer. If you like these shapes, don't forget to like the video and share it. And let's continue watching the rest of the shapes in the video. In this shape, after cutting the dough into roughly 20 equal pieces, take each piece individually and fill it with a bit of date paste lengthwise. Then, seal the edges and using your fingertips or the palm of your hand, stretch and roll it until you get long strips as shown here. Roll the strips in sesame seeds so that they are fully covered. You can make some with sesame seeds and some without for a variety of beautiful shapes. Then, take 5 strips and pull their edges together at the top, braiding them into a lovely shape. Continue with all the dough and let it rise for half an hour. Then, put it in the oven after sprinkling some sesame seeds. After it comes out of the oven, brush it with a bit of butter and let it sit for another half an hour before serving. It will look beautiful and fluffy, with a delicious date filling that both adults and kids will love. If you liked these shapes, I hope they turn out great for you. See you in the next video, God willing. Have a blessed and happy Eid.